In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a comprehensive online accounting software designed to manage your finances, automate business workflows, and help you work collectively across departments. It's an essential tool for small to medium-sized businesses, and today I'll guide you step by step through the process of purchasing it. To start off, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you're on the Zoho Books home screen. From here, you'll find various options and features that Zoho Books offers. But for today's task, our focus is on subscribing to the service. Next, look for the Subscribe button on the homepage. Clicking this button takes you a step closer to accessing the suite of features that Zoho Books has within its plans. It's an intuitive interface, so follow along as I walk you through the entire setup process. Now, once you've clicked on Subscribe, the next step is to select Upgrade Plan. This is particularly useful if you're already using Zoho Books on a trial or basic offering and need access to more features. The great thing about Zoho Books is that they offer different plans tailored to various business needs, whether you're a startup or a growing business. At this point, a list of available plans will be displayed based on the specific features and services each offers. It's important to choose a plan that best fits your business requirements. Consider factors like the number of users you'll have, the extent of financial data you need to manage, and any advanced functionalities your business might benefit from. Zoho Books offers flexibility, so there's usually something that fits your unique situation. After deciding which plan aligns with your business needs, go ahead and click on Upgrade. This action will initiate the purchase process for the selected plan, unlocking the capabilities you need to organize your business's financials effectively. Upgrading confers access to enhanced features including advanced reports, customizable templates, and automations that can significantly enhance your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of purchasing Zoho Books. You're now ready to leverage its powerful features to streamline your accounting and manage your financial operations more efficiently. Remember, Zoho Books is an investment in the productivity and growth of your business, helping you manage your finances with greater confidence and precision. Should you have any questions, their customer support is always ready to assist. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.